Schindler. Oh, I swear I've seen this elevator on YouTube before. I swear I've seen this elevator somewhere on YouTube. The employee got stuck. So doesn't sound too good. Let's need a rear door. I got a view. Oh my god. Yeah, I swear I've seen this. I've seen this before. I recognize this checker floor. I recognize this elevator. It's from YouTube. Sorry, the third HT, second 330A. And I've only seen Mono TR once.
Alright, bring this up with you. Hi, you need help?
No, I'm good. Just holding the door for you guys. Yeah, y'all have a good one. I can tell it's very urban out for this. There it goes, and that's it.